This is how to program an AES 7794 for use with the 4.2 format fire panel. First, you're going to need the AES key remapper. It isn't necessary, but it makes life easier. I'll double click it and we'll make sure it's started by going down to the taskbar. I see it started right there. What does that do? The Intelli Pro really wants a handheld programmer, but you can do it from the computer. But in order to do that, it's going to prompt you to press F1, but really what it wants to see is a Control Q, or for an F2, a Control R. This key remapper script just takes care of that for you to make things easy. Next, we need to open Hyperterminal. We don't want a new connection, although we could make one. I go to File and Open, since I've done this before. AES Radio and Intelli Pro. Click. It says down here I am connected at 4800 baud down here, and I am actually connected to the 7794, and it is connected to a fire radio, and everything is powered up. I'll hit Enter. Let's look at the prompt here. F1, if I press it, is going to let me configure this. It's exactly what I want to do. I'll press F1. Here we have E for exit. F3 changes, F4 goes up, F5 goes down. Let's press F5 a few times. There's the intercept number that the panel will dial in order to talk to the Intelli Pro. The current reporting format is contact ID. That's not what we want, so I want to press F3 to change that. Here are my options for contact ID. I press C for modem, I press M, and for pulse I press P. So I'm going to press P for pulse. And now it says it's set to pulse. We go down. Here is the parameters for the pulse format. We have the HSD, the HSF, the CF, the IDT, and the IRT, which we need to change. We press F3. Why do we need to change them? Because AES said we should. That these would work better with older Silent Night panels. So let me just bring what AES said over here, and we'll make that work. It's not going to go that way. Stop that. There we go. So if we look at it, 08 matches 08 here, 14 matches 14, but 19 here is different, so we're going to change this. So that would be the, I waited too long. I'm going to get back down to where I was again. F3. We need to change the third one, which is C. And here are my options. I can either press A for 18 or B for 19. We need to change it to B. And now 08141907, 08141907. Uh-oh, the last one is 5, so we'll change that one too. F3. Last one is R, and my choices are A for 30 and B for 50. We want B. And there you have it. We are done programming that. I can now disconnect. You come down to the bottom here and right click on the key remapper and click exit. You could leave this running, but if you ever hit F3 or F1 on your keypad after this, you're going to get some funny characters.